Hello and welcome to this session, where I'll introduce you to Gravity Workplace and talk you through how to get started with populating data. Gravity Workplace is a single central solution for all of your facilities management data, delivered via a web browser with a database and application hosted either on your premises and hardware, or in an accredited cloud environment provided by MAS. Gravity is easy to use, simple to get started with, and enables a restriction of data and actions per user type. Access and restrictions work across internal and external users. This is all configurable by the user without the need for supplier intervention. There's no restriction or cost implication regarding the number of jobs per year or the number of sites you have. Instead, the licensing costs are based on the application module required and the number of users per module. We can set up implementation of Gravity within a few hours and will assist you in determining the best route to insert your data. This can range from bulk upload via spreadsheet or database extract to manual entry. This depends where your data is today. Once the initial data is implemented, it can be maintained by you, leaving you in complete control. Data required at the outset usually includes details of locations, for example site, building, floor and room. These are the starting point for any implementation and may or may not be linked to floor plan drawings in AutoCAD formats. Asset register, including notes such as location, condition, previous work information, and associated documentation or photographs. Staff data, so staff, contractors, and end users. And with these core data in place, maintenance tasks can be overlaid against the assets. So let's have a look at Gravity. To get us started, I'm going to show you how we set up locations. On logging into Gravity, you see the dashboard screen shown here. My user has a maintenance administrator role, so the dashboard is configured to show an overview of maintenance requests. Down the left side of the application, you'll see the modules. We're going to go to Space Management and Background Data. Define Location will show us the sites, buildings, floors and rooms. You can search in the upper tab, as shown, or you can drill down hierarchically. If I go down to a room, you can see the data details enabled here. So let's drill down through the building, through the floor, to the room, and let's select the first. So in this mode, I'm looking at the data. In this other mode, that's an edit. So I'm just looking at the data in this instance. So this shows us the building, floor, room, code, and the room name. The space standard, which you can establish yourself. The room use, room category, and the room type. These things are all configurable by the user. You can also insert your room area here. You can configure this to be meters squared or square feet. And you can make comments around the room info. If you've attached your rooms and connected this through a tool such as AutoCAD, this room area will pull automatically from the floor plan. You can determine if the room is reservable and hotelable, set the capacity, set the common area type if it's say a reception area or a corridor, and you can also account for accounting codes by setting this up for division, department and sub-department. So you can always track who's got what room assigned to them, and you can use this for the assigning of cost to cost centers. One other thing you can do in this view is you can add documents. Notice that you can attach documents at all levels, which is handy for storing lease information, compliance requirements, etc. I'm just going to show you a floor plan now. So it's possible to link your CAD floor plan drawings to Gravity Workplace, and that will pull in diagrams by which you can identify locations. So one method of this is under Reports. If I do highlight by department, so I've got two departments set up. Let's look at the Mass Technical department. This is the building code, and there we go. We can see the grey highlighted colour is the technical team, the client team, and these are the rooms that are occupied by that team that I've selected. I can switch by clicking on these buttons here. As with all Gravity modules, there's a strong reporting capability. For example, if we review rooms, let me go to that report here. This displays all rooms and enables the extract to Excel. So we can extract at the building level, or at the room level with the full room list. These reports are direct data extracts from the database, so these can be configured to meet your requirements. If you're interested in the full process of how to build floor plans in a facilities management system from scratch, you can watch our YouTube video on our channel, and that's called Space Management from Survey to IWMS. Thank you for watching this video. Please do let us know if you have any questions via info@mass-plc.com. Thank you.